With this trading bot I earned $136 profits automatically. And with this bot I earned $2,511 automatically. And you saw in my previous videos how to set up these bots step by step. And today you will see how to use BingX Trading Bots, how do they work, and how BingX Trading Bots compare to other platforms such as Binance Trading Bots and Bybit Trading Bots. But first, when you want to start making money on BingX or any other platform, you need to create a 100% free account. And I will leave a link in the description where you can get the best bonuses for BingX platform, but also for Bybit platform, because BingX gives you maximum up to $5,000 worth of bonuses. Meanwhile, Bybit gives you up to $30,000 worth of bonuses when signing up using my link and referral code. On both platforms, the sign-up process is 100% free and you can do it using your email address, phone number, and on Bybit you can also sign up using Google account or Apple ID for 100% free. First, what is BingX and where to find their free trading bots? It's one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the universe, with billions of dollars being traded every single day. It was founded back in 2018 and it's one of the several platforms with 100% proof of reserves. However, it is not yet as big as Binance or Bybit or OKX or KuCoin, the other exchanges that we are talking about on my channel. Personally, I use more these biggest exchanges like Binance or Bybit, just to show you a difference. On BingX I currently have only a few $100, meanwhile on Bybit I have more than $93,000. Also, if we compare the trading on BingX, I have here one trade open with 151 USDT profits. Meanwhile on Bybit I have one trade open with more than $8,800 worth of profits. But I think that BingX may be a good alternative for big platforms. And today we are going to evaluate their trading bots that you can find right here on Grid Trading. Currently they are providing 3 different trading bots: Futures Grid, Spot Grid and Spot Infinity Grid. And then they have here a recommended bots section. They may provide even more bots in the future, and I hope that they would provide one free bot that Binance and Bybit is providing. I will tell you in a moment which bot do I mean, but first let me explain to you one by one how each of these bots work, how you can use them if you want to do that, and which one is my #1 recommended trading bot. Let me start by showing how the Spot Grid bot works, and then we move to Spot Infinity Grid and Futures Grid. If you are my YouTube subscriber, you already know how all of these bots work because I have taught you in previous videos. But if you are not yet a subscriber, make sure that you do that right now and share my channel with all of your friends who are interested in earning money online so they can receive money as well. Spot Grid says automated buy low and sell high, seize every arbitrage window in a volatile market. And here is a chart on how it works. You can see when the prices dip, it will be buying, 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 and when the prices go higher, it will be selling, selling, selling. And then when it dips, it buys, 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 and again higher it sells, sells. So each time it goes higher, it sells on profits, and when the markets dip, it scoops up the assets and then you can take profits on the top. In other words, this kind of Spot Grid bots makes profit in a neutral market where it's going sideways. If the markets go up fast, then a Spot Grid bot will miss out on massive profits, and if you are buying some weak assets, then you will just lose money with Spot Grid bot. Now, what is the difference between Spot Grid and Spot Infinity Grid? Let me show you the chart again from Google. You can see here that with the Spot Grid bot, there is a certain upper price and lower price that you set, right? And then the bot will be buying and selling between that range. Let me show you how to do it. If you click here create, you tap this box and then you choose here either automatically or manually the lower price and the upper price. It means that your bot will be only buying and selling between those prices. If it goes lower, it stops buying. If it goes higher, it stops selling. Infinity Grid, on the other hand, it buys when the market dips for a certain percentage or whatever you want to set. And there is no upper price limit. In other words, it can go all the way to infinity. That's why they call it Infinity Grid bots. And the idea is to buy the dips so you could earn even more profits. And Infinity Grid is good on the upwards market, in other words bull market, while the Spot Grid bot is good in a sideways market. Let me just quickly show you. If you click here create and then you choose your manual, you can only set up the minimum price, but you will not be setting maximum price because it can go all the way to infinity. Then if you close here, you can also see the Futures Grid. So what is the difference between Spot and Futures Grid? There are two differences. If you click here create, you will see them immediately. The first difference is this one right here, which is leverage. In other words, everything is amplified. You can earn more money faster, but you can also lose money faster if you don't know what you are doing. You know that, for example, with the 10x leverage, if you would normally make $100 profit, with 10x leverage you may earn $1,000 profit. If you normally earn 10%, with 10x leverage you may lose your whole position. So everything is amplified. The second difference here is that on top of the neutral strategy, you can use long and short strategies. In other words, you can earn profits in all types of market situations, when markets are going sideways or up or lower. Meanwhile, with spot grid bot, you usually profit on the sideways market. With futures grid, you can make profits in all types of market situations. But the risks are obviously higher because we are talking about leverage. Now let me show you how to set up these trading bots if you want to use them, and then we will compare them into other free trading bots on Binance and Bybit as well. Here on the left hand side they have so-called recommended strategies, and if I click this one right here, it fills out an automated strategy. So AI has chosen a strategy right here, the price range, and then also the number of grids, and you would be able to start trading with this bot automatically. Of course, you can also add take profits and stop losses if you want, so you can automate that one as well. But notice one thing, whenever any platform says recommended, it doesn't mean that it would be a profitable one, because platforms make profits when you are trading, so they earn money on trading fees. So obviously they want to recommend you all types of things that may not be even profitable for you. That's why I wouldn't personally recommend that you pick one of these recommended strategies, especially some of these altcoins that are ultra weak. If you want to set up any of these bots, you can simply click here create, and then you can set up here, for example, manual strategy with the lower price, upper price, number of grids, and then your investment amount. And if you don't want to set it up manually, you can use their AI automated strategy. And of course, needless to say, whenever you want to use them, you need to have some USDT available. You can see here on my assets that I hold almost 100% in BTC. In the same way like I hold also on Bybit around 100% of this 93,000 in BTC, and the same also on Binance, where I have also made thousands of dollars worth of profits. Now, how do these trading bots compare to Bybit trading bots and Binance trading bots? To be honest, there are not big differences, because on Bybit you can also find spot grid and futures grid bots. And if we come to Binance, here trading and then strategy trading, you can also find spot grid and futures grid. The only one that you cannot find on Bybit or Binance for 100% free is of course the spot infinity grid, but that you can also find on KuCoin or for example on OKX or some other major platforms, as you may have seen on my previous videos. So the bots work exactly in the same way on BingX as in other major platforms. What about the fees? The fees are more or less the same. There may be certain campaigns when BingX provides lower fees, or Bybit provides lower fees, or Binance. There may be all kinds of campaigns, but in general the fees on all of these platforms are extremely cheap, so you don't need to worry about that unless you are doing a lot of trading all the time. Now, which one is my number one recommended bot? It's not currently here on BingX. I wish that they would have added also, but it's called Bybit DCA bot or Binance Auto Invest or KuCoin DCA bot. All of those bots do exactly the same thing. In other words, getting more and more Bitcoin automatically, regularly. If you don't know yet why the price of Bitcoin has gone all the way from $0.1 to more than $28,000 and why it seems to be going towards millions of dollars for each coin, I recommend checking out the other videos on my YouTube channel. For example, today I have published a video where I explain a Bybit trading spot strategy, how to trade Bitcoin on Bybit. There I explain the fundamentals behind the best trading bot strategy, which is Bitcoin DCA. You can do it here by clicking create now, and here you can choose how much Bitcoin you want to get regularly, and as you can see, you can start even with 1 USDT, so even people with a little bit amount of money can get started. And you can also set up the same here on Binance Earn, on Auto Invest, where you will accumulate crypto on autopilot, and I have opened these example bots where I have earned thousands of dollars worth of profits as well. If you want to see step by step and click by click how you can set up both of these bots, come to my playlists Earn Money on Binance and Earn Money on Bybit. I have also created numerous videos where I answer all of our subscribers' questions about these bots. For example, a typical question is,
hey, if I put $100 today, how much money do I get after 7 days?
Watch this video right here. Binance Auto Invest Daily Profit question mark. because in this video you will learn more in detail what kind of profits you can expect, and you will learn even more on my playlist Earn Money on Bybit. So take your finger and click for the next video right now.